Hi everyone, in today's toothbrushing timer we're going to be learning all about crocodiles, so get your toothbrush ready and start! First off, did you know that crocodiles have the strongest bite force of any animal? Even though their bites are strong, the muscles that open their mouth are actually very weak. This means even a rubber band or even your hand is enough to cover a crocodile's mouth. An even crazier fact is that sometimes mother crocodiles put their babies in their mouth. And you might think this sounds strange, but this is actually so that predators don't hurt the babies, because if you think about it, no animal is going to go near a crocodile's mouth. Some crocodiles can even hold their breath for 24 hours. That means they can spend all day underwater waiting for their food. I bet they get hungry. And did you know that crocodiles even have a see-through eyelid that they slide across their eyes when they go underwater? It works just like a pair of goggles to make sure that their eyes don't get scratched or get dirt in them while they're swimming underwater. You might have also noticed that crocodiles have lumps on their back. Well, those lumps are actually there to protect the crocodile. They're basically bits of bone covered in scale. These are called osteoderms, and they protect the crocodile kind of like a suit of armour. Something crazy is that sometimes crocodiles will swallow rocks to help digest their food and cut it up while it's in their stomach. However, I don't really recommend this. Speaking of digestion, a crocodile's stomach is around the size of a basketball. For perspective, a human's stomach is only around the size of their fist, which means a crocodile can have a lot more food in at once. On average, most crocodiles have around 80 teeth. It must take them a long while to brush, but they don't actually have to brush their teeth, because if a crocodile's tooth falls out, it will just get replaced with a new one. Us humans, on the other hand, aren't so lucky, so we have to take good care of our teeth. Speaking of teeth, crocodiles will actually have a tiny tooth on the tip of their nose called an egg tooth. And as you might have guessed, this tooth helps them break out of their egg. A lot of other animals like snakes and lizards have this too. In the wild, crocodiles will eat a lot of different food, but most of the time it's fish, but can be large animals such as even zebras. And time's up! I hope you enjoyed today's toothbrush timer, and I'll see you again soon.